Hi, this is Tom from Tom's Tech Support, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the inaccessible boot device error on Windows 10 on my HP desktop PC. The process should be similar to other PCs, however, it may be more like the version for from a Lenovo laptop, which I videoed in the last video on how to fix this, which is also available on this same YouTube channel. The error may occur when booting up Windows, and it will display your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We'll restart it for you, and the stop code of inaccessible boot device. So to fix it, whilst booting up, you need to press F10 on your keyboard if you're using a HP. If you're using a different PC, you may need to press a different key to enter the BIOS. On this HP specifically, you need to go to storage options. However, on your other PC, there may be other tabs, and you go to the option that says SATA mode or SATA emulation. If you see here, it says IDE. If you're using Windows Vista or above, you need to make sure this is in AHCI mode. And if you're using Windows XP or below, you need to make sure this is in IDE mode. However, if you're having the error on a different operating system, it may just be a good idea to reverse whatever it says here, because usually reversing it fixes it, and it should in this case. So we'll just go to Save Changes and Exit, make sure they're saved, and then wait for it to boot back up. And as it boots back up, you should no longer receive an error. You may receive preparing automatic repair, and this is the case for this one because I've restarted it many times. So you just wait for it to load up and let it diagnose your PC for problems. It won't find a problem, so you just click restart on the screen that appears next. And it will warn you saying that your PC did not start correctly, but you just use your mouse and click on restart. And then wait again for it to boot up. And this time it should boot up normally, absolutely no problems. If this doesn't fix your issue, then your hard drive is most likely faulty. As you see, it booted up absolutely fine, but next I will show you how to fix it if your hard drive is faulty. So if you own a HP PC and you think you have a faulty hard drive, press F2 on startup and you will go to a diagnostics menu. On mine's a graphical display, however on some HP computers it may just be a text-based interface, but with mine I have a cursor. So you go to component tests, and then you test the hard drive. Then you do a quick test, and run once. In my case I'm just going to test hard drive 1, but if you have any other disks in your computer you may want to test them all. But I know my disks are fine, so I'm just going to test hard drive 1 for the demonstration of this video. And if this is the problem that if you're booting from hard drive 1 or hard drive 0, then pressing this should be able to test whether your drive's faulty and causing the problem. Just go ahead and click test hard drive 1 and let it run. It shouldn't take long, and then it should tell you quite quickly whether the drive's failing or not, or failed. And if it passed this test, then you may want to try one of the longer tests, because there are 3 different tests available. And you can also run the tests individually. So as you can see, it says it's going to take 1 minute and 38 seconds. It's running the short drive self-test, which pretty much means it writes to a section of the drive and then tries to read it. As you can see, mine passed the test because I know it's fine. But yours may fail, and if yours passes but you're pretty certain it's failing, then you can always go back to hard drive and try the extensive test, or you can just try a smart check or a long DST, and then you should be able to find out whether the drive's causing a problem or whether it's a BIOS setting. And if your drive's fine, then it might be a good idea to reinstall Windows. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I fixed your problem.